like, why can't I touch that?
Oakley,
Why can't I touch that?
what's your new toy, Oakley? Where'd it go, Oakley? Stamp it out! Stamp it out! Quickly! Quickly, stamp it out!
Okay, pick it
That's
up.
right. That's right.
It looks so solid, you know?
Oh.
It's like, where did it go? Where did it go? Where did I leave my little red spot on the floor? Oakley, there it goes! There it goes! Get it! Get it! There you go. There you go. You've almost got it. Pick it up. A little faster. I love the dance.
What the heck was that?
Where'd it go? Did your spot run away?
Where do you see Puss in Boots?
That's adorable. Did you find it, Oakley?